Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The expense of making long distance telephone calls is not so great in the late evening. Night messages may also be sent by telegraph at reduced rates. Steps should be taken to profit by the statement of accounts just furnished by our auditor. It has been found necessary to reduce expenses in our plants, and it is clear that we shall have to be more strict in our demands if a more favorable balance is to be shown. If you can come to town before the first of the month, anything you have to say relating to the new arrangements can be discussed with the officials responsible for making loans. Gold is sometimes shipped from a country to balance that country's foreign accounts. Great care is taken to guard these shipments. When the ship reaches dock, the bars of gold are shipped at once to the vault of a bank. Those responsible for the shipment take no changes, and the gold is guarded from the movement it leaves the ship. Your wife and children took the noon train to the country, and they will return about 7 o'clock this evening.